Oh, what's up, gang? Welcome back to another episode of favorite Caribbean boy, X7 Dave. Bandit megaways, never checked it out. I'm here for it. 119,000 in the ball. We are here to make money moves. Looks cool. Graphics wise, for sure, giving me a lot of like nostalgic vibes of, you know, they do Cowboys very well, for sure. What in the Wild West Gold Sweet Bonanza? Is that 420? Are we fucked? Is that multi-sticker? What in the Wild West Gold? Gates of Olympus Sweet Bonanza 500? See, I was gonna play some new games today, right? Now I'm gonna hate play Bandit Megaways. Now I'm gonna hate play Bandit Megaways. I'm gonna lower this. I apologize. That was probably absolutely obliterating your eardrums. Like, what do you mean? Interesting, right? The tumble, the multi. Yeah. It's kind of like they marry the concept of a few games and then slapped on some El Paso Wild West Gold and then just like finessed your money, you know what I mean? That's all it is, right? That's all it is. It's like, yo, bro, that was a sick game, am I right? Yeah, give me back my Brasso money though. Give me back my Brasso money though. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, sick game, but money though. Great tumble and all, but what does it mean? What does it mean if we don't even have like a little dynamite? And when did we get an elf queen in here? I thought we were in the Wild West. What? The fact that you could have a 100x do nothing. I mean, I guess it's like any other game, right? It has to hit. I didn't expect that to be my like introduction to the game. Welcome to Bandit Megaways. Here's a 500x. Enjoy your stay. All right, that dude's like 1,000,000% top. You can just fucking tell, right? The gold trimming. Dude looks 10 times cooler than any other character. This dude's pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. The man is like quite a big dude, right? Or that's a small bottle, I'm not sure, you know what I mean? But he's making a bottle of Jack Daniels look like, well, looks more like that could be like a, yeah, it's not Jack. Jack is square bottle, but me or so I'd be told. That one looks more like a fine bottle of scotch. Look at him, bro. Just, does he have a stick in his mouth? Or a piece of straw? What is this, dude? Why am I paying 5x to buy just to bump it from 2x to 10x, bro? Fuck that. Absolutely fuck that. You know what I mean? Am I right? Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments. Am I wrong? I didn't even like, I'm just always going to the, you know, the more savage one, right? But they both have 500x potential. This one just can hit 2x's. Who cares? It's eating ass anyway, bro. Like, congratulations, I guess. Wouldn't be surprised if this shit paid more. And it's on a $100 bet. I would much rather take the $100 bet. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I'm open to correction. We'll see. I guess on average, the dynamites look bigger on the other bonuses, but they weren't connecting anyway. So like, right? Like, look at that tumble, bro. We have no, just beautiful tumbles, but no hold. This game looks like it's gonna be a massive blue ball. Is this a blue ball game, guys? Let me know. I'm gonna check the comments. Do I just stay away from this game? Or is this the kind of game that you like, you big chungus send? You know what I mean? 'Cause look, I'm not scared to send a game, y'all know that. But it needs to be worthwhile, right? Because if the multi doesn't get cranking, it doesn't matter. I bet you there's a out there where it connects to 500x, gives you like a mid hit, and then just edge this. Oh, I bet you it's out there, bro. So you never really get to eat off that 500x. I bet you. This is all so bad. Like, this is so bad. I want to dream a dream right now, but this is so bad. Alright, I'm going to try to not whine. I apologize, guys. I'll pick my teeth up off the ground, just put them in my pocket. The dynamite's nicer here for sure. I guess saying two to, it just stings that that size is so much smaller. Like, this tumble would have been fucking insane for a $100 bet. You know what I mean? This shit would have been. Imagine this shit on a $100 bet right now. You'd be going crazy, bro. You'd be going crazy, right? 95x multi though. You got some sauce in there, bro. Interesting. I want to see that side of it. Don't you dare think that this is safe. Okay, so he needs to shoot for the dynamite to come out, but it's not connecting anything. Talk about getting you invested, right? That was a massive letdown. Okay. So far we've had a 500x and the 95x off the rip. The 500x was a loss. To be fair though, the 95 bucks, like, that could as well have been a loss too. $5,000 profit. Oh, $10,000 way. After all the L's. After all the L's, of course. We're still down 20 grand. 4-4-4, that's a good thing, for sure. Pride can't disrespect that. Do I just race trap it? Do I spin it? Maybe I should spin it. What? it's not. Okay. Oh, mate. Nice. I like that. Can you get some shots in the base game? What a tumble, bro. Holy shit. $8,000 tumble. Imagine my man just goes pop, pop, pop. Drops a 50x in there. That was a tumble and a half, though, for real. That justifies a few more. Oh, man. Okay, I guess, like, alright, there goes. Alright, let me bring this back down. How fast is this spin, bro? Okay, it's not too insane. Let's see what it can do. Maybe it's a spin game. Let's try different approaches, right? Like, it's a satisfying game. Everything about the game is satisfying. Just tough so far. But we could be on a bad seed. Have you had success with this game? What I'm trying to find out is if this game is worth sinking some RTP into. Sinking some future RTP gains into. Look at this tumble. Look at this tumble, bro. Holy shit, you can get zapped, and we're back! Just pop, 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 pop. Alright. This might be like a dank ass game to spin for real, bro. So you can, you can taste those dank hits. That was very satisfying. Very, very satisfying. I'm pretty sure that I did have to have down. Alright, let's put this back on here. 129 was peak. So we were at one point up 10k, which is great considering that we were way down. W. And it's also good that we know that this man could pop shots in the base. He can pop shots in the base. That's cool. Because if you get, like, that makes the game infinitely more fun for me. I see you zap it. Because it feels like a boost, right? Like, I mean, the mechanic's the same, right? When my man hits the shot, the zap comes in. It's the same shit. Different skins. I'm just gonna scream zap it, bro. Laser it. Such a weird way to call a hit, though. This dude's a laser? Like every gamer knows, laser it! Like every gamer knows what that means. Like, you peek an angle and the dude just fucking domes you, bro. And you're like, I'm facing a mounted turret. Massive comeback. Still got a lot of video left. It's a bit of a slow spinner considering that we have like fast spins on. A bit of a slow boy. But at least we got to see some of the juice, right? Like fucking absolutely. Bandit megaways. Interesting. Interesting game. This one has a little bit of meat on the bone, bro. This could work. Like, this is good. This is definitely a hearty meal, right? We got some potatoes in there for sure. It doesn't just feel like filler. Okay. We're starting to end right now, unless we don't. Unless we don't end. That's the beauty when the tumble gets going, right? And then my man zaps it. Plus, this guy looks, just way, which is crazy considering that Zeus is literally a mythical god. This dude just looks to fuck you up more, right? I just don't know if I'm tempted to go back to the bonuses after having such a good like experience there, bro. That's the truth. Like, we just kind of got like fandangled there. Do I want to get fandangled again? Not really. Not really. Spins might be done. It might be time to pivot. I'm gonna let these 23 play out though. I'm gonna let these 23 play out. Because in one instant you can be back, right? And I like that. I like that a lot. It's interesting, right? That's what I mean by like multiple games, because they also added the top piece. It's like we have a Gates of Olympus, Muertos, El Paso, Wild West Gold. Just a weird hybrid. Just a weird hybrid. But it works. Weird hybrid, but it works. Alright, I have an idea. So we'll stop this, right? We'll bump one up one at a time. You know the drill, you know the drill. Feels like this might cook. This might cook. Zap it. Laser it. Laser it. Mama has so much sauce. Laser it. Give us a good tumble into a laser. Okay. Good tumble if he lasers it. Okay. Alright. And then we're gonna do some spins up here and just really pray that we clock something, bro. Just legendary clock. We need a legendary clock right now. This could be good. He needs to laser. He needs to laser it. I'm gonna do one more spin. It hurts up here. It hurts, bro. It hurts to go sideways up here. Laser it. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, aces clear that? No. Yeah. Let's bring this way down. Like, what are you even talking about? Okay, let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here. We're trying to get back to 120, and maybe I'll just stop. We'll see. We'll see. If not, I'll do one more. We haven't had buys do anything yet. It's been all spins. I don't know if that's the way to play the game, because I think it's a cool concept to have the sticky multi, obviously, and this shit just like splashes it when it wants to. Like, look at this shit, right? Just boom, boom, boom. There goes the multi. Multi's in Narnia now. Hello, 42x. But will it do something? Never had that. Interesting. How many? 15 spins on a retrig? Yo, my man's gracious with it. Holy fuck, that's gratuitous. Alright, let's see what it does though. Is this one of those games that like the retrigs like Sugar Rush? Wow. Yo, these screens are fucking insane, bro. 30,000 megaways. Holy shit. Nice. Okay. Interesting. We have a lot of bonus left here with an 87x, bro. 21 spins. I want to get excited here. I feel like this should be profitable on the whole day. This should be profitable on the whole day. Unless we're like jinxed, bro. Actually. Come on. Okay, he hit. He shot. It would be nice if that was a wild, right? It's adding. That's 99x. 99x, bro. 99x. We're gonna need my man to get to at least 50k. Toxic. It's just ripping through spins, so I hate that. It's ripping through spins. This can't just be. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? I don't want to be ungrateful. It's better than ripping for sure. But you don't want to get to 100x, and that's what you eat, bro. Like, you're trying to eat up here. Seems like it just gets you that hit and then like just coast to the end. That retrig was pretty much dead. That retrig wasn't worth the paper that it was printed on, bro. That is tragic. It does that a lot, man. 30 free spins. Like, okay, I guess. It's just annoying. I mean, the game made a pretty good showing, I would say. Bandit megaways is gonna be like question mark. I'm gonna see what you guys have to say. I'm down 13k on the day. Could be worse considering where we were headed. I'm gonna leave it there. I'll see you in the next one.